7. Oh, write the number 7. 7. 7. 7. Oh, next, oh. Anong color to? Oh, what color? Yellow. Oh. Count mo yung yellow. Yung star. Count mo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This one?
This star.
Ay, oh, ilan? Ilan? Ulit count.
7.
Anong pa 7? Count mo nga mabuti.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ulit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5 lang. Oh, dali, help ka rin, mami. Oh. Number 5.
5. 1,
5. Oh, next. Blue na lang. Oh, next. Oh, yung pencil. Count mo yung pencil. Yung orange. Oh, count mo yung pencil.
Orange.
Orange. Oh, count mo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 4. Oh, dali. Number 4.
4, 4, 4.
Oh, 5. Oh, next. Oh, ito. Oh, ilan daw to? Yung cup? Count mo. Count.
No.
Oh, what color you want?
Black.
Green? Okay, sige, sige. Oh, count mo yung, cup. Ilan? Count mo. Count mo dali. Ilan to? Ay? Count.
Raining. See?
Water yan. Ito.
Water.
Ilan to? Count mo. Ilan yan muna? Count mo.
1, 2.
Ay, 2. Oh, write the number 2. Help. 2. Very good. Oh, next. Oh, ito din yung
Ting.
Opo. Oh, ilan yan?
1, 2.
Ay, 2. Oh, 2 ulit. Gayahin mo to. 2. Lagay mo number 2. Dali. Dito.
2.
Next. Oh, dito. Count mo to. Oh, blue
Dito.
naman. Blue naman.
Ito.
Opo, 2. Okay, next na. Dito na. Count mo to. Next. Oh, yung water. Ay, no. You don't need to, Oh, count. 1. Oh, blue. Oh, dali. 1 mo. Count mo yung water.
This rainy. See? This
Opo.
rainy.
Oh, count mo na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ay, isa-isa lang. Oh, ulit. Count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ay, wow. Very good pala. Number. Oh, number 10. Number 1. Oh.
No, 10 only.
1 tapos 0. O, 10. Very good. O, next. O, count mo to. O, this one. Brown. O. O, count mo yung cupcake.
No, ball.
Ay, ball. Ilan daw yung ball?
This is 1.
O, 1. Anong color ball ng ball mo? Anong color gusto mo?
Orange.
Okay. O, 1. 1 lang.
1.
Oo. Kukulayan mo?
I'm rolling a ball.
Sige, color mo. Maglalagpas. Sige.
Oh, it's orange. See? It's orange.
Okay.
Wow. So fun a ball.
Sige, faster.
A black.
Opo. Kanina, black. Ngayon, color?
Black.
Ngayon, anong kulay na yung kinocolor mo? Color? What color is this?
Orange.
Okay.
It's a dollar orange.
Up.
Ball.
O, lagay mo dito number 1. O, kaya mo na yung 1? Number 1. Straight lang yan, o. Po, ganyan, o. 1. O, this 1. Tapos, lagay mo lang doon, gano'n doon. Tapos, gano'n, o. Next, o, yung cupcake. Count me cupcake. How many cupcake?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 3. Oh, go. Put the number 3. Dito. 3.
3.
Wow! very good.
Sulat ng cupcake.
Kukoloran mo pa. Good job naman. Ito na lang ang koloran mo. Anong color yung cup na gusto mo?
Cupcake.
Cupcake lang.
Wag.
Okay na. Good job.
Uy, di pa, mami.
Ay, hindi pa pala. Sige.
Nina.
Oh, sige. Isang red tsaka isang blue. Isang red, isang blue. Go.
No.
Cupcake lang. Ay, very good pala. Next.
Ito.
Oh. Oh, okay na yan. Ito na. Oh,
Red.
oh lalagpas ka na. Oh. Next na. Oh. Galing naman mag-color. Very good pala.
Tapos,
Next.
ano one ba?
Other one pa. Okay. Hindi ko yun. Baka. Chismoso ka. Oy, very good. Okay na. Okay na. Ito color. Ito, coloran mo dito. Yung ano? You want?
Yes?
Okay. No.
Why?
Choose other color.
Blue?
Okay.
Yes. Hey, blue.
Sige, go.
Ay,
It's okay. One blue tas one red. Okay?
blue.
Favorite color mo ba yung blue?
Yes.
Ay?
It's total blue.
Okay.
And white ba?
Ay, may red pa. Okay. Sige na, go. Faster.
Double mommy. Ha?
Okay.
Oh. This blue. That's it.
Isa like color?
This blue. Brown. Brown pa. Brown. Top here is brown.
Wow.
Red. Ha.
Okay. Colorful pala yung hat. Galing naman.
Oops. Blue man. Like blue.
Okay. Anything you want. Go.
Ano?
Wow. Wow. Nice one. Okay na. Good job.